Hi food lovers, welcome back to my channel Gerald's Kitchen, and if you're watching for the first time, thanks for tuning in. Today I'll show you how I make my curried shrimp. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe, like and share my videos, and give me a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, and most importantly, ring that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. So guys, for this recipe I'll be using 1 pound of shrimp, which is 15 to 20 pieces of shrimp. So I already put my heat on medium, and I'll be adding some olive oil. So we're gonna add some garlic, which I already minced, and Scotch bonnet pepper. But if you don't have Scotch bonnet, you can go ahead and use whatever pepper you have. So we're gonna saute the garlic. So make sure your stove is on medium heat. So for this recipe, I'm using some black pepper, some garlic powder, salt, and a little bit paprika. So we're gonna go ahead and add the curry to your oil, because we want the curry to be cooked. So we're going to burn the curry. Guys, it smells so good. You want to get rid of the smell of the curry. And curry, if you don't cook curry properly, it's not good. It gives you an upset stomach. Guys, the curry and the garlic smells really good. So we're going to go ahead and add our green pepper, red pepper, and onion. So we're going to allow it to saute a little bit. We don't want it too soft, so you don't have to cook it till it's really soft. So now we're going to add the coconut milk. So we're going to cover it and let it simmer for 2 minutes. So guys, look at it. It's looking so nice. So we're going to allow the curry to cook a little bit, because the shrimp normally takes about 5 or 6 minutes. I'm going to just add a little bit more black pepper. It looks wonderful. It smells so good. So now we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp. So guys, remember to clean your shrimp with vinegar, and I use a little bit of lime, fresh lime, to get rid of the raw smell from the shrimp. And the lime and the vinegar gives it a little flavor. So we're going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And you'll know when your shrimp is ready. It's going to be orange. Guys, it's looking so good. We're going to cover it for a few minutes. So guys, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share this cooking journey with me. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another episode of Gerald's Kitchen.